Want to start your own indoor herb garden? Wondering how to do it right? Look no further. Picture this: fresh herbs at your disposal all year round. Sounds delightful, doesn't it? Let's dive into the steps to grow a successful indoor herb garden. First things first, you need to choose the right herbs. Opt for indoor-friendly varieties like basil, chives, or mint. Avoid herbs that crave lots of sunlight or outdoor conditions. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to get planting. Now, let's get our hands dirty and start planting. Good quality potting soil is crucial, as are proper containers. Whether you're sowing seeds or planting seedlings, ensure they're placed just right. With your herbs planted, it's time for the next step: taking care of them. Taking care of your herbs is crucial for their growth. It's vital to balance watering, humidity, temperature, and light. Avoid overwatering and exposing them to extreme temperatures. Don't forget, too much or too little light can hinder growth. And there you have it, your very own indoor herb garden. Growing your own indoor herb garden is not only rewarding, but also incredibly easy. Remember, it's all about choosing the right herbs, planting them properly, and providing the care they need. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.